Want to manage the Quick Access feature in Windows 11? Here's a quick guide to enable or disable it in a few steps. Press Windows plus R keys together on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Type Regedit in the Run box and press the Enter key to open Registry Editor. Copy and paste the below path in the empty and clear address bar in Registry Editor. HKEF current, user own software o Microsoft Windows current version, Explorer advanced. Then select the advanced registry key on the left side of the Registry Editor. Locate Launch to Dword value and open it by double-clicking on it. Enter 0 in the value data text box and click OK button to apply changes. In case you want to enable it back, then open the Launch to Dword value and enter 1 in the value data text box and click OK button to make changes as shown below. Now close the Registry Editor and restart your system once. Next time you boot up your system, you can observe the changes made. Press Windows plus E keys together to open File Explorer on your system. Click on 3 horizontal dots, Show More Options, located at the end of menu bar as shown below. Then, select options from the drop-down menu as shown in the below screenshot. If your File Explorer opens up to Quick Access and you want to change it to This PC, then go to General tab of Folder Options window. Now, click on Open File Explorer to drop-down list and select This PC from the list. Once done, click Apply and OK button to make changes. If you want File Explorer to open to Quick Access, then go to General tab of Folder Options window. Select Quick Access from the drop-down list of Open File Explorer and click Apply and OK button to reflect the changes. This will not enable or disable the Quick Access, but only ensures where the File Explorer should open to. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.